You know, there's something special about a CL. I don't know what it is. I think it's just the idea of having a long coupe, which is based on an S-Class chassis, a little bit shorter, but a long coupe, pillarless coupe, meaning all the side windows comes down with no pillar in between, no division, like on typical cars. That's always there for structural integrity in case the car were to flip. But Mercedes created a design where the roof is so strong and the car is designed to be so sturdy. Safety, I mean, engineering has gone into this to make this car to be capable. As big as this car is, as long as this car is, the roof will not collapse. You don't need a pillar right here to prevent collapse and for it to come down onto the passengers. This right here is designed. And they probably based it off of an egg. The way that it's shaped, it reminds me of an egg. Have you ever tried to grab an egg, a hard egg, and try to crush it in your hand? You can't. Because of the design of the egg. It's designed to be strong, and you're not able to crush it in your hand. Not easily. Oh my God, I can't even do it. Holy crap. And in the same way, I think that the CL is designed to not collapse onto itself, to be able to be structurally strong and safe for the passengers. Now, this car is designed this way, and it adds to the aesthetics and the uniqueness and the luxury. It makes it feel open when all the windows are dropped down. It feels like you're in something special. And guess what? You are. You're in the CL, baby. This is a CL600, CL55. One of the best designed Mercedes S-Class based coupes ever created. You have the SCC, which is a dope masterpiece. From the 80s and early 90s. You have the body style after that, which is super unique and dope. But this right here, I think, is something special. The ones after this, oh yeah, of course, the 216. Beautiful car, beautiful car. Based on the 07 W215. Beautiful car. I've had one. And then the body style after that, oh my goodness. These S-Class coupes just get more and more special. But there's something unique about this one. Matter of fact, I would say there's something unique about every S-Class coupe. If you never owned one, never driven one, I think you should. It'll open your mind up, I swear it will. These cars are beautiful, man. Now, this is the wide body CL55. You can't just buy this off the streets. You can't go to a dealership and buy this. You couldn't buy this at a dealership back in the day. To have a wide body version of any Mercedes is something special. Especially a CL wide body. I built that. The wide body kit, fiberglass, I did all that. But you don't have to have a wide body kit on a CL for it to be special. It's special without the kit. It's special without the kit. The body design that Mercedes created for this car is so beautiful, timeless, eloquent, sophisticated. Yeah, it's just a beautiful car, man. Beautiful car. Mercedes continues to create beautiful cars. Come on, guys. What car on the road stands out as much as a beautiful Mercedes? They're just sexy. All these new cars that's coming out, oh, they all look nice. Every car out here looks nice. Man, but nothing looks like a Mercedes, guys. Come on, bruh. Nothing. timeless body style designs. Most car manufacturers, man, they cookie cutter cars, man. They all start to look alike. If you start to look at a lot of the new Fords and the new Hondas and Hyundais and the new Kias and the new and the new Acuras and the new Nissans, they all start to look alike. Not too much really stood out back in the day that still stands out today other than Mercedes. Heck, go German, even BMWs. Nah, they don't look special. So yeah, some of the newer ones that just came off the block look pretty nice. But will they stand the test of time? There's only a few BMWs to me that really stand out. An i8. I like their big body coupes, but now they're starting to look aged. I don't know. Name some BMWs that really stand out today that came out back in the day. Maybe the 6 Series from back in the 80s. Maybe that thing is still special, but it's kind of ugly for real. But it's just that nostalgia, because of how old it is. But shoot, Mercedes, man, they look good, man. Every year, every generation of Mercedes looks great. And they hold their value better than any other German common manufacturer back in the day. They hold their values better than BMWs. They hold their values better than Audi. Man, you don't believe me, just look it up. It's free information out there. Just check it out. I just love Mercedes. Maybe that's my problem. I just love Mercedes. So I went on that rant about the CL, but I can go on that rant about most of these cars that I have. And most of the cars that Mercedes created, they all have their unique appeal to them. So, if you've never thought about buying a Mercedes, think about it now. You won't have any regrets. As long as you can understand that these require maintenance, and if you have somebody that can fix them, you won't regret it. If you can fix them, you definitely won't regret it. You save a lot of money. How do you think I have all these cars? Because I fix my own Mercedes. But I know that's not reality. Everybody can't do that. So, do your research. Find what's best for you. Make sure that you do have some money off to the side just in case something goes wrong. Because like any other car, it will. Just with a Mercedes, it'll cost a little bit more to fix it. That's all. But seriously, guys, consider Mercedes. It'll be quite the experience. Trust me.